Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this spiral math question and try to solve by your own to feature in our shortout list. Whatever your answer, I will feature you here. So what we have 20 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. So many solve like this 20 divided by 1 by 2 times 2. They will cancel out 2 times 1, 2 times 1 and 20 divided by 1 and 20 will be the answer. So if you are one of them, like you are solving like this, then you are wrong. You have to follow the PEMDAS, and the right way is we will write again our question 20 divided by 1 by 2 into 2, and division multiplication have same priority to solve here left to right. First we have to solve this operation 20 divided by 1 by 2. So first what we have to do, we will apply the KCF rule. Keep changefully, we have to keep this 20 as it is, and division will be changed to multiplication, and we will flip this 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. Now again we will write same. Now what we have 20 times 2 times 2. We will write here 20 times 2 times 2. What we will get 20 times 2, that is equal to 40 times 2, and 40 times 2 which equals to 80. So here right answer is 80. If you got the right answer, then comment and try to watch these videos. Both are all tricky maths, and subscribe channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.